What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again. I need you to watch this unforgettable race from Jamaican. It's a 100-meter dash that it's so amazing and left a lot of people to be happy and to recognize Jamaica more and more. It comprises of King Dash, Oblique, and Noah. Those are the top people that when it comes to races, they are so amazing, and it really motivates a lot and made a lot of people to be happy with the Jamaicans. I need you to watch this till the end, and I'll be back with more comment. I'm your host, Dara Reaction, and all the good deeds go back to the original host of this video. See you after this.
Seiko Tokyo, it's the men's 100 meters world final.
男子100メートル決勝。
In lane 2, world rank number 3, representing South Africa.
南アフリカ記録保持者、南アフリカ共和国。
Akani Simbini. Lane 3, twice the African under-20 champion, representing Nigeria.
パーソナルベスト9秒88、ナイジェリア。
Kayinsola Ajayi. Lane 4, 6 times the world champion, the Olympic champion for the U.S.A.
ブダペスト大会金メダル、アメリカ合衆国。
Noah Lyles. In 5, the Olympic Games silver medalist representing Jamaica.
ワールドリーダー、ワールドランキング1位、ジャマイカ。
Kishane Thompson. In 6, twice an Olympic Games silver medalist for the U.S.A.
パーソナルベスト9秒79、ワールドランキング5位、アメリカ合衆国。
Kung Fu Kenny Benarek. In 7, the best of 981 set earlier this year for Jamaica.
ワールドランキング4位、ジャマイカ。
Oblique Seville. Lane 8, welcome the Olympic 200-meter champion representing Botswana.
ブダペスト大会銀メダル、ボツワナ。
Letsile Tobago. Lane 9, a lifetime best set here at 9:87, representing South Africa.
パーソナルベスト9秒87、南アフリカ共和国。
Kim Leolela. 8 lanes, 3 medals, a billion viewers around the world. One fastest man in the world. Let's find out. It used to be him.
男子100メートル決勝。
The tension just needs to go a little higher. We'll find out what the start team make of that. We'll hear from start referee Helen. Yeah, Bolt knows what he thinks he saw. We all know what we think we saw, but there's only one opinion that counts.
Lane 8, full start.
And unfortunately, it is training, Lyles, Thompson, Menrick, Seville, and Leon Labour. The start is crucial, nice and quiet.
One oblique. On your warlocks. 1-2.
Vähän silleen, että voi reaktioida, jos se ei ole ihan niin sitten pakko, että se on kiuton käsittääkseni.
Set.
This time away. Great start, like you say, Thompson. Thompson, there you go. Race to make the score. It's Jamaica 1-2. Jamaica Lyles takes bronze, Thompson takes silver, and a lifetime best of 9.77, the world champion, the fastest man in the world, is still Jamaican, Oblique Seville.
さあ、ただいまの男子 100m 決勝はジャマイカのセビルが9秒77のパーソナルベストです。そして2着には同じくジャマイカトンプソン9秒82、3着アメリカ合衆国のライルズ9秒89のシーズンベストです。
There's the replay, look at the pickup from the two Jamaicans as they come upright, they're already 1 and 2. Lyles playing catch up as he so often has to get the bronze.
The final event, the men's short sprints, race 2, that's the 200 meters out there in lane 8. Jerome Blake got a gold medal in the 4x1 from Paris. What a great job by, can he get another Canadian out there with him? Andre DeGrasse, which is amazing. This guy, the Olympic champ in Tokyo, he's a medal contender. And then, well, there's the show right there.
Yeah, Kenny Bednarek, if you're his competition, you got to be a little bit worried because he's just getting better and better every time he steps on the track. His 100-meter PR was set yesterday, and now he's going to be out here looking for a world lead. 1986, it's definitely possible. Oblique Seville, who gave him, and you got to love it, we're in Miami, but it feels like we're in Jamaica. They really appreciate the Jamaican athletes. He was second at 100 meters, and Zarnell Hughes, representing Great Britain, he is the British national record holder at 100 and 200 meters, has gone sub-20, so certainly has the chops to challenge, but it's going to be hard to compete with Kenny Bednarek.
I think that is probably a really good analysis right there. Like, this is the last race. You know who you need to close down a race? You need a closer, and that's certainly Kenny Bednarek. Hakeem Blake, as the Jamaicans kind of in a transition with new sprinters that have come through, as Bolt and Powell and Blake cycle out, and now it is Hakeem Blake. It is Oblique Seville. It's Kashawn Thompson and those guys. And by the way, those aren't just those guys. They're superior athletes for sure. Brandon Hicklin there, the former LSU Tiger, former North Carolina A&T athlete, is in one.
Bednarek gets out really good, takes out meters of DeGrasse outside him. That's to be expected. Oblique Seville's trying to run a good bend. Arnell Hughes is trying to get right up there as well. Jerome Blake on the outside. But Kenny's got a couple of meters coming into the home straight. Hughes is chasing him. Seville is coming back. But then he's away. He's gone. He's well clear. There's daylight between him and the rest. Look at the clock. 1983. Under 20 seconds. That's fast. That's quick. Almost in his top 10 fastest of all time. Thereabouts. Seville did good. I mean, so the bend here, he's out of the blocks sharp. He's good.
Well, look at how quickly he jumped out on Andre DeGrasse. He made up the stagger in about 40 meters. Once I saw that, I was like, okay, this is going to be a really nasty time. But got in the straightaway. And as you can see, just hitting positions. No stress, no strain. Kind of bouncing. And I honestly think there's a lot more there, man. Still going really hard, as you can see, coming off the bend. And usually you'll see the sprinters getting that sling off of the turn. He got that, but coming down to the latter part of the race, he's usually very, very strong. You look strong, but it just looked like he was just getting through. I'd love to hear what they have to say about that.
That's interesting. You're right. I mean, you want sprinters to be relaxed. You know, that's what they always say, not be fighting it. But he's cruising down here. It looks as though he is. Yeah. Let's see what he says in a minute. But I mean, you can't quibble with 19.84.
Especially if you're cruising. You know? That's fast if you're trying to run hard. But if you're chilling, that's very fast.
You know, some wise coaches and wise heads like Michael Johnson might say, don't run your fastest time of the year in May, you know. Keep building.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I believe that you have seen the amazing champions of the Jamaican. They really did their best. They really, really shone up. And that's what a lot of people at that race were waiting for, because they knew that very well that the Jamaican are always the best, are always at the top. And no matter what happens, no one can defeat them when it comes to short races. And that's why you see the way they gave out a very big range between them and the other country that we're competing with. You see the way they really shone up, and they wanted to make other country to feel like, oh no, we need to learn some tips from these Jamaican people, because they did their best. They showed up like never before. And no doubt, no questioning, like they really did their best. And that's so amazing. And you see that they always become the champion. And the speed that they have, they run in a supersonic speed that no one can ever reach them. But also, it's not that hard. You can also try your best. Like you see the way the U.S.A. tried, and they really believe in themselves. That's why they had the opportunity to compete with them. Also, the people from the Nigeria, they had the faith that they can try also. And you see now, they became number 3, U.S.A. number 2, and the Jamaican, as usual, they became number 1. But that doesn't mean that you cannot get the opportunity also. You can also get the opportunity as long as you believe in yourself, you trust yourself, and you do more practice. But the Jamaican are the best. Many people say that I like to comment and I'll say that the Jamaican are the best. But you can see for yourself. You have the proof. Because they say what's without action is not really something that you should brag with. But we have the evidence to show you that for real the Jamaican are the best when it comes to short races, when it comes to competition, and the way they run, the way they give out the distance between them and their competitors definitely shows that these people have they had prepared themselves very well for this competition so that they can be the winners and never become the losers. And that's the thing that I really love about the Jamaican. They're the best people. They practice so much. They get many opportunities to have their races, and also their leaders who train them, their trainees, they really show them and they really encourage them and motivate them a lot. And that's the reason why you see they are really doing their best and always becoming the winners. And the speed that they have, they really do their best. I believe that you have seen and you have approved for why I love Jamaican and why I told you that the Jamaican are the best people ever. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and put your thumbs up at my video. I really believe and I hope that you have seen and you are happy also the way I'm so happy for the Jamaicans. I've been your host, Dare Reaction. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for putting your thumbs up. Thank you for commenting, and also see you in my next video. Bye bye.